Okay, Ken here, Ken's Hobbies. Another day. It's a fairly nice day, but that wind is on the chilly side. Anyhow, I have an issue. What do we have here? Oh, rubber cap. We have an issue with that tire. It's going flat on me every 2 days, so got one of three things can be wrong with it. A, valve leak. B, is a bead leak, or 3, picked up a nail in it. So we're going to get the old jack here. We're going to find out why that tire is losing air. First thing we do is get our floor jack off here, get it set up. Come on, get out of the rut wheel. It's better. This driveway's so uneven. Try to get the jack in one position, and it wants to go in its own position. Hey, we are such a dip in the driveway there. We'll try it there. That's wanting to slide up me, so we'll just take it to the side. Enough. I'll take 3 sockets here because I can never remember whether 3/4 or 13/16. So because I'm not running no hubcaps, and the threads will be dirty, we'll take a little WD-40, spray on the threads. Okay. 21 millimeter. Fits perfect. Okay, so full of rocks. What I'm doing is I'm inspecting for if there is a nail through it. Instead of using sand these days, they use a gravel, fine gravel, and they call it sand. And it's sure bad for picking up rocks. Some of these rocks can get pretty sharp. They can damage a tire as well. So we're going to remove some of these rocks. That one had a little point on it. Back in the 50s and 60s, they used to use sand. And it was true sand back then. Not this gravel that they call sand these days. So far I haven't heard any leak yet of the ones I've dug out. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Once you send the city and built tires. That was smart enough. Let's do something about this. I think we should go back to sand. Rocks in a tire like this destroy your tire. Plus it throws your balance off. You get too many in. Might be it right there. Find out pretty quick. It's stage 2 here. Pretty well taken care of. Okay, didn't see it, and there's one more here. Well, I didn't see any nails through here. So now what we'll do, the second part of your diagnostics. Done with that, so let's just take that back. back in before I lose them. Okay, your second test, check for bead leaks. First, bead and valve. So you get your garden hose, just want it at a trickle. There we have bubbles coming from the valve itself. Okay, nothing from bead leak on this side. Turn the tire around. Same thing. For bead leak. That's looking good. I don't see any bubbles. Now, at the same time I got this wheel off, I'm going to clean the inside of this wheel. Painted black. I've been wanting to do that since fall last year. I never have. Let's pre-soak this down. You know what the issue is. Leaking valve. You can shut the water off. This car came, when I got it, came with all kinds of different types of rims between Ford and Dodge. This particular rim happens to be a Dodge, and it was a white one. I had another one on here that was a blue one, so that's the reason I decided to paint them all flat black. I'd like to put the original hubcaps back on, but somebody else wanted them more than I did, and one was stolen on me, so I took the other three off and just threw them in the trunk because they're hard to find. Dry rag, you know. One section of it. I'm trying it a new style. It seems to have gotten rid of the hum. So we're going to see what this video turns out. Yeah, I'm hoping. That's good enough. You want to do this better by rights, you should take a wire wheel to it. I'm not too concerned about it, as long as I get rid of the white. That's my main concern. While the tire's still wet, perfect timing for like Derek would say, a Craigslist better than what it was. That's the main thing. And that's why I like this trim called Tech Trim Glad. The rough paint and basically kills two birds in one shot. There. We call that powder coated. Okay, we'll let it dry. We're ready to put it. Well, while it's dry, I'll be looking for a valve, new valve. Which I'm sure I've got some.
I asked you not to tell me that.
It's going to be a guess. Level it off. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I didn't realize I forgot to empty the disk, what do you call it, the memory card from my footage on the Sundeck, and therefore it ran out. So again, no warning telling me out of memory, and as a result it didn't capture the rest of the project for this quick little short in between the Sundeck video that I'm still editing on. Oh, now I remember what was. Yeah, the microphone, I used the cordless mic on this video, and I got no more hum on it. So the problem was this little adapter piece here. This is what gave me the hum. Every time I plug that in, it's got a. I'm figuring it's broken wire right in right here at the neck, more than likely, because that's where the most times it catches at. Anyhow, that's about all I can do. Job's all, tires all fixed, the new valves in. I painted the other side. I pulled the wheel on the other side there and painted the rim on it as well on the drinker side. So it's now done, so both the rear ones are now black on the inside. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. Greatly appreciate it. Till the next time, adios.